Let's learn how to express I have a headache in Chinese. 我头疼. Please repeat after me. 我头疼. 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 Let's say it faster. 我头疼. 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 Let's review what we have learned so far. Review. 复习. 复习. Ouch. 哎呦. 哎呦. I have a headache. 我头疼. 我头疼. I will spend lots of time and effort into making these videos. Please give me a thumb up or share. For previous lessons, please search 11 Dreams Go-Getter Sabrina or Learn Chinese with Sabrina, No Boring Grammar, or visit my website at www.11dreamsgogetter.com.